So good afternoon, everyone, from this end, and it's 6th of 6th of June of July, sorry, 6th of July 2025. So we're going to be doing a Forex analysis for the week and possibly looking at the weekly time frame for long long-term entries using the weekly time frame, just to like understand the overall bias of the trend of Gbpusd. So now, this is the weekly time frame of Gbpusd weekly. So each candlestick you see here is one week candlestick. So looking at this area, diving straight into the charts, forgetting plenty talk. Looking at this area, we are looking at we are looking at a run in this other block in this end. On the weekly time frame, we're looking at a run on this other block. And if you look at EURUSD, we are seeing a run above this area. Looking at this area, we're seeing a run above this area of resistance. You can also call this other block, but this is also an area of resistance, making it turn support. So we're also looking at, is this going to be an uptrend continuation? Maybe we could get some retests and continuation. We could get some retracement to this level and continuation. That is why GBP going down to the 1 hour time frame. Just chill. In a moment, you are going to be understanding everything. You are going to grasp everything fully, understanding why I'm saying what I'm saying. So going down to GBP you can see that right into this area, it retested into the area again. Did retest into the area again, came out of the area, and then it's trying to retest on the same area. Okay, now have this in mind. Have this in mind. Remember my Fibonacci strategy also. From this open to this close, because this close starts the resistance. So we are going to drag it out in time. What do we get? This is what we get. So exactly. So why did I remember on the Thursday in NFP, I called a buy right at this area, but we had another retest. We had a sell. Should I call it a short sale on this candlestick after the NFP, because I was anticipating a buy in from this level, but it pushed down. If I continue to push up and do all this plenty retest. So this is what happened. This is what happened. Right, this is what happened. So I used my Fibonacci tool. I saw that there was a 51% retest in this level. And then what did I look at next? I looked at run on liquidity in this area. I also looked at the run in this area too. Remember, this is the buy side liquidity. We had a run above it, and then the sell side liquidity same into the 50-61% retracement level. Now, after I saw a push above this level, right, and then this build up in this area, I was anticipating that all of this was going to be a fair value gap. Maybe like this level is going to be a fair value gap level. But remember, this is the 1 hour time frame. so I guess it was much more. Look at this. So I was anticipating price to actually push up from here, but now the what I'm noticing and I'm taking note of is that price is not coming down below this level. Having it in mind that all of these box you see here, this purple area, out of this purple box or purple rectangle line you see here is the 1 week's break. You can see it, the 1 week's break. See the 1 week break here. So I was just having that factor in mind that okay, in the long term, I want to see a push because EURUSD is going higher. So I am anticipating that okay, GPUSD should also be going doing the same thing. Okay, 1 week, sorry, 1 hour, going to the 1 hour time frame. And after all of this, we could see that on the Friday was, should I say, slow markets. It was just a very slow market because of the independence, bank holidays, and the rest. So the NAP was shifted to Thursday. So that is just a short analysis for of understanding why I actually took that entry in that particular area. This is a short analysis. So I hope you understand why I took the entry, why I called the entry I took. It's just I was also anticipating on Fibonacci. I was not expecting a test in this area. But if you break down to 15 minutes time frame, you notice something that this level here is a 79% retracement level. So look at it here. So you can see how the 79% area was respected, properly respected. It was very, very properly respected. So generally, whenever I see 79% treatment, I'm always expecting price to run to the 0.5 level, which is on 1.37228. So that is just it for now. So next this week, I'm going to be expecting price to run here, obviously. And if it does not run to the 0% level, but obviously I'm going to be expecting price to run here. And maybe I'm also going to be anticipating I'm also going to be anticipating to see that price does not go below this 1 week's order block. Because if price should go below it, we could also be respecting that price is going to actually drop further, respecting testing all these levels we see here. So that is just a short analysis, and I hope you understand why I called the trade I took on Thursday, sorry.